chances, sometimes the big enough.
What's up? We are back. PJ North Racing. We're doing it. I'm trying to convince Casey to go to Iowa for a double national open just because I want to race the car. They've rained out sportsnats, so back on the grind. We're going to drain the gear oil. I've never taken the gear oil out of this thing. We're going to check it, just make sure. It doesn't sound great when it's coasting, and I don't know if it's the new brakes still kind of getting in or if it's the gear, so we're just going to check it. I ordered a new gear from Mosier. Shout out to my homies at Mosier. Yeah, so let's get into it, see how it goes. All right, so interesting here. All right, take one of these out here and see if we can't get it to drain. Just make sure no chunks come out, right? It's really all I want to check, so just kind of checking it all out back here, making sure everything's copacetic. All right, we got all these bolts out. I'm fixing to pry this thing off. Let's see how it goes. All right, this thing's beating me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to Google how to get this damn thing off. It does not want to come off. It's like it's gasketed on there, but it's stuck. All right, we found the culprit. You can see in there, broken gear tooth there. So glad we caught that. So I got a new one on order. You can see there. So Richmond, but we'll get that swapped out. Always a good piece of the puzzle. That Pro 1 safety, you love to see it. Knew I was about to get in trouble, so I had to order those new. I love this that they do the colors, man. They give you a bunch of options. Went with the Pro Elite pull down. These are great. I went with the bigger belt for this car. I had the thinner ones, but I think I like the bigger ones. I have the bigger ones in my bracket car, so get these put in this weekend as well. We'll be ready to go. Back at it again. It's 97,000% humidity, but and get these axles off and get everything, start to get that ring gear out so we can put a new one on. It should be here shortly, so let's see how it goes. All right, got the axles out. Getting ready to drop the drive shaft and next steps. Well. Excited to see what we got here. All right, we did it. Seatbelts in. I love the Pro Elite. I do love these. I'm a big fan of that, so I think I got a pretty good set there. Pretty happy with that, right above there. So should be pretty good. All right, we're doing it finally. Getting ready to put this gear in. Kenny Terry gonna come over and make sure I got it set up and put that in there and go from there and get the car swapped around. We're gonna take this thing to Ohio Valley tomorrow, run a little combo test before we hit Bristol National next week. So let's see how it goes.
From the outside part here, where it starts to sharpen the edge up. That sounds good right there.
Ain't even making that much noise yet. As you can see here, broke one. And that was broken off too, so the teeth are starting to break down on the ring gear. But, fun fact, this was a 614. Didn't know it. So we're putting a 6 flat in there to see if we can't get some mile an hour back.
Give it to me. Like the two narrow ones.
And just like that, rear end back together, wheels back on. I'm gonna drop it on the floor, swap out some cars, swap them around, and we'll try to go racing tomorrow. All right, we made it to Ohio Valley. Q1 here, combo. Go from a 614 to a 6 flat gear. My hope is that it goes somewhere 17s in there. Then I feel like we're pretty close, so let's see how it goes. 7:17, just like we hoped. I was 10 or something up front, so pretty good lap so far. All right, Q2 here. They do a little dash for cash, so I dialed 719. I would just like to do what I ask it to do. So let's see, hope, pray here that it does what we ask. Let's see how it goes. Coasting, no noise. That's my kind of hot rod now. Alright, round number 1. We don't know who we got yet. They draw cards, so we're just gonna try like hell. I'm down 719, so let's see if we can't turn this year around, you know?
Two hours later. 2 hours later.
How'd it go?
Pretty good. I missed the tree a little bit there, but I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Pretty good. Little luck. It happened so fast.
I know, I barely made it.
All right, round number 3. We're gonna try her again. We got by round number 2. I was a little late, so we're gonna try to tighten it up back up here. I dialed down 718, so let's see how it goes.
He pretends to fake. I don't know where I am.
Got on the brakes too early. I panicked. Damn it.
I want to ask the 3 of you what you're going to do for yourselves.
Feel better now, girl? Did you get that card? She hates when he starts with that thing. Say bye-bye. Hope you win.
Man, we had a time yesterday. The car was so good. I'm so thankful, man. Kenny, Terry, Matt for talking me into it. Tyler, all those guys, everybody that kind of, just like keeps me on the ropes here, and everybody that's jumped in, and super pumped. It ran really good, so we had a good time. I was 11 and left second, Leonard Mattingly, and then I just panic dropped. You see the video? I don't know what I was doing. But Leonard's perfect up front and gets there, and I get behind. So I was super happy though with the car. So on to Bristol we go. I hope y'all liked the video. Like and subscribe. You know what to do. We'll be back next week with another video. See ya.
Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the beat.